Hi, second graders. This is Mrs. Cosman here with another science experiment for you. Today we're going to see what happens when we mix water, baking soda, and vinegar, and we put raisins in it. We'll see what happens to the raisins. Do you have a prediction? Make a guess. What do you think will happen to our raisins when we mix these three ingredients? So what we're going to do is I already have a glass of water that's about filled halfway. Then I'm going to take a spoon in my baking soda and get about 1 spoonful. The exact measurement's not super important. And I'm going to mix it until the baking soda is dissolved in the water. Now I'm going to put my raisins in. You can see all the raisins sunk to the bottom. Now I'm going to add vinegar, and I'm going to fill the cup up about 3/4 of the way to the top. What do you think is going to happen? Do you think the raisins will stay at the bottom? Do you think they'll float to the top? Maybe go somewhere in the middle? What's your guess? Let's see. Put a little bit more vinegar. I now have dancing raisins. The raisins are floating back and forth between the top and the bottom. The reason that this happens is when we mix vinegar and baking soda, we have a chemical reaction that occurs, and it actually forms a gas called carbon dioxide. When you put this reaction in another liquid like water, then you see the carbon dioxide as those little bubbles. And the raisins, our light object in there, collect the bubbles, and that increases their buoyancy, so they float up to the top. But when they get to the surface, they start losing those bubbles, and they're a heavier object, so they sink back down to the bottom. But as they're sinking to the bottom, they collect some more of the bubbles again, which makes them float back to the top, so that they keep floating back up and down. So it kind of looks like the raisins are dancing. This should work with other light objects. I read that it also works with popcorn seeds or peanuts, so you could try it out at home. Super easy. All you need is water, baking soda, vinegar, and a light object, whether it's raisins, popcorn seeds. Try it out. See if you can make an object dance by using science. I would love to see your pictures or videos if you try it out. For now, keep exploring. Bye, second graders.